Here in this video, you will get the instructions to fix iPhone not ringing problem and get rid of those problems. Method 1. Check if the ringer is turned on or off. Step 1. Check the ring or mute button on the left side of your iPhone. If the button is pushed away from the screen side, your iPhone is on mute mode. Step 2. To turn on the ringer, simply switch the button to the screen side. Method 2. Check if DND mode is turned on. There are 3 ways to turn off the DND mode. 1. Turn off DND mode on Control Center. You can find out the DND mode on iPhone Control Center and the DND mode icon. Check if it is enabled. Just tap the icon to disable it by making it dark down. 2. Switch off DND mode on iPhone settings. Visit Settings, Do Not Disturb on iPhone, and turn off the manual feature and then the scheduled feature. Thus, you have turned off the DND mode. 3. Turn off DND mode by Siri. You can also ask for help from Siri, the smart assistants. All you need to do is to activate Siri, and then say the demand to it, such as, turn off Do Not Disturb. Then Siri will operate the command and turn off the DND mode, showing the report to you. Method 3. Turn up your iPhone volume. You can directly turn up your iPhone ringtone volume simply by pressing the volume up button on your iPhone. Then you might see the ringer icon on your iPhone screen. Method 4. Change another ringtone. Go to Settings, Sounds, Ringtone on your iPhone. There is a list of ringtone options for you. Just tap any ringtone to hear in advance. Then select your favorite one and exit to save your selection. Then you can check if this method works. Method 5. Reboot iPhone to fix iPhone not ringing. You can also restart your iPhone to fix this issue. To do so, simply press and hold the power button to bring out the slide to power off screen. Then swipe the slider to the right to turn off your iPhone. When off, press power to turn on iPhone. Method 6. Fix iPhone not ringing by factory reset. Here is what you should do to factory reset your iPhone. Go to Settings, General Reset. Erase all content and settings. Then you can confirm your action by tap the Erase iPhone option on the pop-up window.